Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. As you can see today, I am in my car because Shelby Ann's makeup tutorial, makeup routine went absolutely viral on TikTok. So today we're heading to Walmart to buy everything she uses in that video. I just pulled up to the Walmart parking lot. I have Mr. Lincoln here with me. Today was just a chill day for me and I was like, you know what? Let me do part one of y'all shopping with me at Walmart. I'm going to show you everything she uses. I will also be sharing with you prices, and then obviously I will be buying things that I personally don't have that I need. So if you guys are excited for part one and part two, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, grab your cafecito and let's go shopping. Are you ready? Let's go. We have arrived to the makeup section. So first things first, it looks like she uses quite a bit of E.L.F. and L'Oreal. I have pretty much everything from E.L.F. except the Thayers Milky toner. I used that one and I didn't like it. I passed it on to my sister a few months ago. So I'm not going to use this, but let's take a look at E.L.F. and see what they have. Let's start with E.L.F. It looks like she uses the Whoa Glow from E.L.F., the Suntouchable. I'm sure she uses this one in champagne, sheer champagne. I own this sunscreen already, so I'm not going to buy it. She also uses the Thirst Burst little glow drops, but they don't have them here. But just as a reference, you're looking at about $14 for the sunscreen. Again, I have that and the Thirst Burst, so let's move on. We're moving on to Neutrogena. So she actually uses the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Radiant Cream Concealer. I've actually never tried anything as far as, I don't think so, makeup from Neutrogena. So we're gonna pick this up today. This is $13.94, which is a little bit expensive, but I mean, her skin looks amazing, so we trust her, right? I think I'm gonna go with the shade Light 3. She uses pretty light shades to give that bright under eye. So I think I'm going to go in with this one. This is supposed to give you that glowy look to your skin. So I'm excited to try this. I'm at the L'Oreal section, and here she uses the foundation, the concealer, the bronzer, and the blush. So let's go ahead and grab that. A shout out to L'Oreal for having so many shade ranges in their True Match foundation. I haven't used this foundation in ages, and look at the foundation range. Like, the shades are pretty amazing. So let me figure out which one is my skin tone, but this is $9.97, which is not too bad. This is why I wanted to come to Walmart, because Walmart has the lowest prices between Target and Ulta. So let's find my match. I don't know why, but I think this might be my foundation shade. What do you guys think? This is W6.5 Warm Medium. Should we get this one? This is Neutral 6. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna take W6.5 because that seems like the right match for me. So we're gonna get this one. I'm so excited. We also need the concealer. I actually used up a whole thing of this. I love it. I think I am 365 Cashew, if I remember correctly. Yep. 365 Cashew is going to be my shade. Again, she uses lighter shades than me. Obviously, she's a lot more fair, but this is what I'm going to go for, and this is $12.98. So L'Oreal, she's a little pricey, but I think she's worth it. So let's take her. She also uses the Infallible bronzer. I'm going to go in with this one in the shade Deep Tan. This is also $12.98. By the way, these highlighters are amazing. But I'm going to go with this one. And then she also uses the Confident Pink blush. Thankfully, I own this one already, but in case you guys are wondering, this is $14.14. So again, a little bit pricier, but these are crazy pigmented. They're super velvety and they look really pretty. So totally worth your money. But yeah, I need the bronzer, so let's take her. Another product that she uses is the setting spray, the L'Oreal setting spray. As you can see, mine is sold out. I have found mine at Target, so y'all run to Target or Ulta. But yeah, this setting spray is amazing, and it's a total dupe for the one size. It's about $10. Here you go, $10.98, and it is totally worth the $10. So she also uses the Milani Cream bronzer, which is this one right here. Again, this is a product that I already own, so I'm not going to take this with me, but if you haven't tried it, definitely try it. It's great, and it's only $10.97. And yeah, it's a really good creamy formula. The very last thing that I am missing is the L'Oreal Viral Blur powder. Unfortunately, my Walmart doesn't have it literally anywhere. I bought mine at Walgreens, so if you guys are interested in trying it out. So that wraps it up for what I need. Let's go check out and let's see what's my total. You ready? But first we're gonna go look at toys.
Yeah.
Right? We can't go to Walmart and not look at toys.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, I was so thirsty. I love drinking squirt when I feel like extra parched, because I don't know what it is about this drink that just like quenches your thirst. So cheers.
Mom, I want some. I want some, Mommy.
Oh my gosh, how do you say? What do you say? What do you say?
Please, I want some.
Yes, sir. Okay, so let's do a quick little recap. Let me show you what I got. Again, keep in mind, I didn't buy absolutely everything that she uses because I do have a lot of her products. For foundation, she uses the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. Oop, I'll just spit everywhere. I picked up the shade W6.5. We'll see how this works. I haven't used this in years. I hope this matches me and I hope it doesn't make me too oily. I picked up two concealers. She uses two. She uses the Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer. I went with the shade Hazelnut Medium 1 just because I feel like this is going to be a better suited color for me, as well as the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. I picked up 365 Cashew because this is the shade that I've used in the past and I love it. This is going to be super full coverage and this is going to be more radiant and creamy. I feel like this is going to be a dupe for the NARS. And then I also picked up the L'Oreal Infallible bronzer. I went with the shade Deep Tan. Excuse me, I used to own this bronzer, but I had the shade medium and I wasn't the biggest fan of the color, so I'm hoping Deep Tan is going to be better for me. In her video, she uses the Sheglam Blush, which is not really obtainable in stores. You can't just like walk in and get it. I have that one. However, she also uses the L'Oreal Lumi blushes, which I also have. So let me know in the comments if I should use her original video, which is the Sheglam blush, or the L'Oreal blush. So my total was $44.26 for 4 items. So that's a little expensive. And again, that's not adding the blush, the setting powder, the drops, and the SPF, but I think it's going to be worth it. So stay tuned for part 2 of me actually trying and testing everything. Is this going to be worth the hype? Is it going to live up to the hype?
What you say? Mama, what you say? Please, I want some.
Oh, can I please have a chip?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, my sweetheart. Always share it with me. So stay tuned for part 2 of me testing everything out. I'm so excited. Honestly, her skin looks flawless, so I have really high hopes for this tutorial. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that video, which will be coming up next. Thank you for shopping with me. Let me know your thoughts on this like viral tutorial, if you have tried it out or if you're going to try it out. I would love to know. With that said, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Stay safe and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.